Today I'll be showing you how I made a decorative basket out of these $2 mats from Bunnings. A beautiful lady named Alicia from My Burley Reno actually came up with this hack, and I've been wanting to try it for a while now, so thank you Alicia for the inspiration. I needed my basket to fit a 35cm diameter pot, so I'll be using 2 mats to make the basket. I decided to decorate my basket with monkey fist knots and a simple fringe made from jute string. First, I'll be showing you how to make a monkey fist knot. To make the monkey fist knot, you will need some jute string and a small marble or bead. I'll be using a 16mm wooden bead to make mine. Cut a piece of string measuring 170 centimeters. Holding the tail end of your thread on the inside of your finger, wrap the string around your first 3 fingers 5 times. You should have 6 strings total. Then, wrap the string around your 3rd finger only. Next, remove your middle finger from the strings. This will make it easier to wrap your strings. Taking the other end of the string, feed it under and around the strings. Make sure you don't pull the string too tight, as you'll need to be able to fit your bead into the pocket that is being created. Once you have a stack of 3 strings at the front, place your bead into the pocket. Then, wrap the string around another 3 times. You should have 6 strings total. Now you're going to thread the string through the middle and push it to the left. Once you have done that, gently slide the strings off your fingers. Taking the same thread, feed it up through the bottom loop. Then you're going to wrap it around the bead until you have 6 strings. Now it's time to tighten the knot. Starting with the bottom loop furthest away from your starting thread, you're going to follow it around and pull from the right side, then continue following the loop and tightening. So now I'm just repeating the exact same pattern until my knot is completely tight. And there you have your first monkey knot. To attach the first knot, I'm counting in 3 spaces, and then I'm just tying the knot on the 3rd space. Then cutting off the excess string. For the rest of my knots, I'm counting in 4 spaces for each. When you finish, you should have 7 knots. For the fringe, I'm cutting out 3 pieces of string measuring 20 centimeters each. Working on the 2nd row down from the knots, fold the strings in half and push the looped end through the top space and bring it out through the bottom. Then feed the end of the strings through the loop, pulling them tight. Next, unravel the strings, then brush them out with a comb. I then repeated the fringe in every second hole. Repeat another row of knots and fringe below. Repeat the same pattern on the other mat. Now we're ready to sew the mats together. To sew the mats together, I'll be using a yarn needle and some jute string. You can also use a bobby pin if you don't have a yarn needle. I'm looping my thread over 3 times. This will secure the jute thread. Then I'm weaving my needle through both mats and pulling my thread tight. Once I reach the end, I'm tying it off with a knot. To sew the other side, I brought the 2 edges together and repeated the same steps. Finish up by flipping the basket inside out and then placing it over my cactus pot. I really enjoyed making this basket and will definitely be making some more. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Hope you have a beautiful and creative week. Bye for now.